these examples that I did with you. You explained the first one. You said 5 goes in 10 two times. There is 1 of 5, that's why this is 1. And there is 2 of 5 in 10, that's why this is 2. And I said the same explanation goes for the second. Oh no, the second one is just a normal division, which is 24 over 6 gives us 4. But the same explanation for number 1 goes for number 3, which is 2 goes in 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 1 times. Yeah, the same for this, for this, for this one. But this number 7 is a different explanation. And you said just now that we are going to look for a number that can factor out the two of them, both numerator and denominator. And that number is 2 that can divide both of them. So 2 goes in 6 3 times, and 2 goes in 14 7 times, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. If you're
Yes.
speaking, yeah, if you're speaking, you speak up. Now, um, if we consider number 11, number 13 rather.
Mhm.
Okay, let's consider number 11 first. For number 11, it's still the same explanation for number 7. We look for a number that can factor them, and the number is 5. 5 goes in 10 two times, and 5 goes in 25 5 times. Then the same thing goes for number 13. And this is 2. We can use 2. 2 goes in 22 11 times, and 2 goes in 10 5 times. So, but this is improper fraction. So we just have to say how many times can 5 go in 11. That'll be 2 times, which is 10. Then remainder 1 over 5. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And this number 14, we factor out the 5. 5 is the one who can divide them. So 5 into 25, that's 5. 5 into 35, that's 7. So that's 5 over 7. Then we
Yeah.
have
Okay.
6 over 4 here. So the number that can factor them is 2. 2 goes here, that's 3. And 2 goes here, that's 2. Then 3 over 2 is going to give us one whole number. Because how many times can 2 go in 3? That's 1 time. Then remaining 1 over 2. Now, for the classwork I gave you, which I was talking about that your answers seem to be incorrect or something. So for number 1, you said you got 1 over 7. And if we look at it now, let's see what we have there. For number 1, which is 8 over 14. The number that can factor them is 2. Okay. So how many times does
Okay.
2 go in 8? How many times does 2 go in 8? Let me hear it.
That's fun.
4. And how many times does 2 go in 14?
Uh, that's 7. 7.
7. So it should be 4 over 7. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then the second one, 3 over 27. What number am I going to use? 3 can factor out. So 3 in 3 goes 1 time. 3 in 27 goes 9 times. But what did you write in number 2? Okay, you got 1 over 9. I think that one's correct. Then number 3, we have 4 over 20, right?
Yeah.
So for number 3, you wrote 1 over 10, which is not supposed to be 1 over 10, okay?
Okay.
4 in 4, that's 1. And 4 in 20, that's what? That's what?
Uh,
That's
that's
what?
10.
That's what?
10.
4 in 20,
10.
that's
Oh, wait.
what?
Oh, no, that's. Wait.
It's on the board.
120. 420.
It's on the board.
Wait, 5. 5. Sorry.
4 in 20 is 5. 4 in 1. So I wonder why you wrote 1 over 10 here. Then number 4, we have 12 over. This is another one that I was talking about because you can just say 12 year 1 and 12 in 28. No, it won't work. So you look for a number that can divide both 12 and 28, and that number is 4, okay? So how many times does
Okay.
4 go in 12? That's 3 times. How many times does 4 go in 28? 7 times. So 3 over 7. So this one too is not correct because it's not 3 over 7. Then number 5, are you getting the explanation now?
Yeah.
Are you getting the explanation
Yes.
now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good, good. Now this is 20 over 25. Tell me what to do. What number will I use for 20 over 25?
Use 5.
5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So 5 in 20 is 4, and 5 in 25 is 5. So my answer is 4 over 5. Okay.
Okay.
Number 6. I have 33 over 44. Obviously, it's 11 you're going to use for this. How many 11 in 33? That's 3. How many 11s in
Let's see.
44? That's
4.
4. So that's 3 over 4. So did you get 3 over 4? No, you didn't get that. So now did you see
Uh.
where you're missing all this, right?
Yeah.
So when I give you I'm going to give you assignment against tomorrow, Sunday class. We're going to meet, and you should ensure you get everything, okay?
Okay.
21 over 49. What number can I use? Can I use 7? So 7 in 21, that's 3, and 7 in 49, that's 7. So nothing can divide them again. Then I can, number 8, we have 10 over 32. What number can I use for 10 and 32? That's obviously 2.
Uh.
So how many
That's
2's in 10? That's 5. 2's in 32, that's 16. And number 9, we have 45 over 54. So 9 can be used. How many 9 in 45? That's 5. How many 9's in
uh
54? That's 6. And the
6.
last one, 90 over 100. I wonder why you put 1 over 2. It simply means you were not concentrating into this at all. Okay?
Okay.
Because if you just cancel 1 0, you have a 9 over 10 remaining there. Or you say 10 in 90, that's 9, and 10 in 100, that's 10. Write down the corrections. Then I'm going to give you assignment.
Okay.
Then your sister is going to come online for that.